Good morning, guys. We are in Mexico. Patrick and I are here with my parents, and I haven't gone on a vacation with them in years, like since high school. So I'm really excited to be here with them. It's gonna be a really fun week. The weather's already amazing.
Baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think, go and love yourself.
We got to meet here again, okay? I will get us the tickets and our guide.
So cute.
Baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think, go and love yourself.
So wake me up.
How are you liking Mexico so far?
So far, so good.
Yep. Lots of fun stuff.
The water's clear and the weather is warm.
Cause if you like, go and love yourself. Baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think, go and love yourself. But now I know, hold back, maybe you should go and love yourself.
Go see him, right?
See, please, come back soon. Was a pleasure.
It's Patrick's birthday today. How's your birthday so far?
Well, I've had good friends, tequila,
Yep.
the sun, and palm trees, the sand, and the sea. So
cumpleaños!
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Remember the first time we met? You was at the mall with your friend. I was scared to approach ya, but then you came closer, hoping you would give me a chance. Who would have ever knew that we would ever be more than friends? But railroad white, breaking all the rules. She like a song played again and again. That girl, like something off a poster. That girl is a gun, they say. That girl is a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Hey.
Done filming a Coachella Get the Look video, which I'm really excited about and I can't wait for you guys to see. So I will insert some clips of that. And now we are going to the pool for the last day.